everyone, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today you will find out how to connect Apple Music to Google Home. Let's go.
First way, open Google Home app. Settings. Music. Choose Apple Music and link your account. If you don't have Apple Music displayed, then choose your device. Remove. Reset your device to factory settings. After resetting, open the Google Home app. Devices. Add Google Nest or partner device. Choose your language. Choose your Wi-Fi, enter Wi-Fi password. Next. Choose Apple Music. Link your Apple Music account. After that, complete the setup of your device. That's it. Now you know how to connect Apple Music to Google Home. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.